um, technical difficulties testing mic. So anyways, I'm doing the thing, chapter exams and the skill assessment. So this video is basically proof to our lecturer, I suppose, that none of these things are working. In fact, I just test one right now. I'll do the practice skill assessment part 1 PT. So technically, if you can read this real quick, it says, "Hi everyone, I have the same problem. I tried all of the above, but could not solve the problem." This is like about 200 solutions. So somebody from Cisco, someone who works in Cisco, like, you know, they gave us feedback. So many people have the same issue, and it's a critical issue. So okay, I'm going to resume the assessment now. So here, I'm just gonna download it. Like, you guys can see the speeds, man. It's there. It's downloaded. But what happens here? And I'm using Firefox, the recommended browser. So what happens here? Nothing. It's just connecting. Yeah, I have speeds. I'm using Airtel. I bought like 2 GB. There's no way you can tell me it's not supposed to work. The IP is okay. Everything is fine. See, IP. Everything is fine. Google is loading. I can do a speed test. So see, like a few seconds to load. Yeah, the speed test. There we go. You see, I'm using Airtel Kenya. I have a ping of 35 ms. Download speeds are about give or take 1 or 2 Mbps. So I've hosted it from my phone, so just bear with that. But the speeds are quite fine for such things. So this is basically a Cisco packet tracer environment readiness checklist. So I think I have everything. I have the latest version of Java, latest version of packet tracer. I'm using like Firefox, Internet Edge, Chrome. Like, I'm using all the browsers, Internet Explorer, all of them, everything. It's not working. Troubleshooting, I've tried all of this, none of them work. So I believe there's no solution to that, and I think I should get 3 marks. 100%.